A blessed day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated in my videos. This time our topic will be on general science, exercises, set 1B. I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in Him, and He shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Why potassium permanganate use for purifying drinking water? Letter A, it is a reducing agent. Letter B, it is a sterilizing agent. Letter C, it is an oxidizing agent. Letter D, it dissolves the impurities of the water. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, it is an oxidizing agent. Potassium permanganate is an oxidizing agent used for purifying drinking water. Potassium permanganate is a common chemical compound that combines manganese oxide or with potassium hydroxide. It was first developed as a disinfectant in 1857. Since then, it's been widely used to treat a variety of skin conditions, including fungal infections. Which among the following choices is an element? Letter A, ruby. Letter B, emerald. Letter C, diamond. Letter D, sapphire. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, diamond. Among the following choices, diamond is an element. Diamond is a form of the element carbon with its atoms arranged in a crystal structure called diamond cubic. At room temperature and pressure, another solid form of carbon known as graphite is the chemically stable form of carbon, but diamond rarely converts to it. What are the phospholipids present in the cytoplasm membrane of the archaeobacteria? Letter A, polyisoprenoid. Letter B, phosphoglycerides. Letter C, polyisoprenoid branched chain lipids. Letter D. None of the above. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, polyisoprenoid branched chain lipids. The phospholipids present in the cytoplasm membrane of the archaeobacteria are polyisoprenoid branched chain lipids. Phospholipids are lipids whose molecule has a hydrophilic head containing a phosphate group and 2 hydrophobic tails derived from fatty acids, joined by a glycerol molecule. What consider the oldest eukaryotic organisms? Letter A, fungi. Letter B, animals. Letter C, archaea. Letter D, diplomatids like Giardia. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, archaea. The oldest eukaryotic organisms consider being archaea. Archaea constitute a domain of single-celled organisms. These microorganisms lack cell nuclei and are therefore prokaryotes. Archaea were initially classified as bacteria, receiving the name archaebacteria, but this term has fallen out of use. What phospholipids are mainly present in the cytoplasm membrane of eubacteria? Letter A, polyisoprenoid. Letter B, phosphoglycerides. Letter C, phospholipoprotein. Letter D. None of these. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, phosphoglycerides. The phospholipids present in the cytoplasm membrane of eubacteria are mainly phosphoglycerides. Phosphoglycerides are the most abundant phospholipids in cell membranes. There are two common types of phosphoglycerides. Phosphoglycerides containing ethanolamine as the amino alcohol are called phosphatidylethanolamines or cephalins. What is the unifying feature of the archaea that distinguishes them from the bacteria? Letter A, cytoplasmic ribosomes that are the 70s. Letter B, absence of a nuclear membrane temperature. Letter C, habitats which are extreme environments with acidity. Letter D, presence of a cell wall containing a characteristic outer membrane. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, absence of a nuclear membrane temperature. The unifying feature of the archaea distinguishes them from the bacteria in the absence of a nuclear membrane temperature. Archaea are single-celled microorganisms with a structure similar to bacteria. They are evolutionarily distinct from bacteria and eukaryotes and form the third domain of life. Archaea are obligate anaerobes living in environments low in oxygen. What is the difference between mycoplasmas from the other prokaryotes? Letter A, absence of the cell wall itself. Letter B, presence of chitin in cell walls. Letter C, presence of murin in cell walls. Letter D, presence of proteins in cell walls. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, absence of the cell wall itself. Mycoplasmas are different from the other prokaryotes by the absence of the cell wall itself. Mycoplasma is a genus of bacteria that lack a cell wall around their cell membranes. This characteristic makes them naturally resistant to antibiotics that target cell wall synthesis. They can be parasitic or saprotrophic. Evolutionary relationships between groups of organisms are determined using which of the following type of information? Letter A, comparisons of structural features. Letter B, comparisons of nucleotide sequences. Letter C, comparisons of biochemical pathways. Letter D. All of the choices. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. All of the choices. Evolutionary relationships between groups of organisms are determined using the following type of information: comparisons of structural features, comparisons of nucleotide sequences, and comparisons of biochemical pathways. Evolution is a change in the heritable characteristics of biological populations over successive generations. These characteristics are the expressions of genes that are passed on from parent to offspring during reproduction. Which of the following choices is not accurate for eukaryotic cells? Letter A. Gas vacuoles are present. Letter B. Chromosomes contain hist-1s. Letter C. The nucleus is bounded by a nuclear membrane. Letter D. Chloroplasts and mitochondria contain 70s ribosomes. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Gas vacuoles are present. Among the following choices, the gas vacuoles are present are not accurate for eukaryotic cells. A eukaryotic cell contains membrane-bound organelles such as a nucleus, mitochondria, and an endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following is not correct for the prokaryotic organism? Letter A. Chromosomes do not contain hist-1s. Letter B. 80s ribosomes distributed in the cytoplasm. Letter C. The nucleus is not bounded by a nuclear membrane. Letter D. The cell wall contains peptidoglycan as one of the major components. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. 80s ribosomes distributed in the cytoplasm. Among the following, the 80s ribosomes distributed in the cytoplasm are not correct for the prokaryotic organism. A prokaryote is a typically unicellular organism that lacks a nuclear membrane-enclosed nucleus. In the two-empire system arising from the work of Edouard Chaton, prokaryotes were classified within the empire prokaryote. Who introduced gram staining? Letter A. Robert Koch. Letter B. Alfred Graham. Letter C. Louis Pasteur. Letter D. Christian Graham. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Christian Graham. Gram staining introduces by Christian Graham. Gram stain or gram staining, also called Graham's method, is a method of staining used to distinguish and classify bacterial species into two large groups, gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. The name comes from the Danish bacteriologist Hans Christian Graham, who developed the technique. Which of the following consider the most unifying concept in biology? Letter A. Genetics. Letter B. Evolution. Letter C. Anatomy. Letter D. Taxonomy. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. Evolution. Among the following, evolution is considered the most unifying concept in biology. Evolution is a change in the heritable characteristics of biological populations over successive generations. These characteristics are the expressions of genes that are passed on from parent to offspring during reproduction.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general science, exercises, set 1B. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next blog, and God bless you always.